Hello everyone, I am Kisl Bioy. Today I'm gonna share to you guys the guidelines in laboratory operations and safety. So first we have the dress code safety rules. So as you all expect, laboratory dress code set a clear example for clothing employees should avoid in order to prevent accidents or injuries inside the lab. So for example, wearing skirts and shorts might be nice in enjoying the warm weather outside but quickly become a liability in the lab where skin can be exposed to heat or to any other chemicals. First, we have to always tie back hair that is chin length or longer. Second is to make sure that loose clothes or dangling jewelry are secured or avoid using it in the first place. Third is to never wear sandals or any other open-toed shoes in the lab. And footwear should always cover the foot completely. Fourth is to never wear shorts and skirts in the lab. Fifth is when working with Bunsen burners, lighted splints, and matches, and etc., acrylic nails are not allowed. So second, we have the personal protection safety rules. So unlike laboratory dress code policies, rules for personal protection cover what employees should be wearing in the lab in order to protect themselves from various hazards, as well as the proper hygiene rules to follow to avoid any sort of contamination. First, when working with equipment, hazardous materials, glassware, heat, and or chemicals, always wear face shields or any other safety glasses. Second, when handling any toxic or hazardous agent, always wear the appropriate gloves. Third, when performing laboratory experiments, you should always wear a smock or lab coats. Fourth, before leaving the lab or eating, always wash your hands. Fifth, after performing an experiment, you should always wash your hands with soap and water. And lastly, when using lab equipment and chemicals, be sure to keep your hands away from your body, face, mouth, and eyes. Third, we have the chemistry lab safety rules. So as chemistry labs are one of the most common types, these basic chemistry lab safety rules are relevant to many scientists, dealing with the safe performance of common activities and tasks in an average chemistry lab. So first, before you start an experiment, make sure that you are fully aware of the hazards of the materials that you'll be using. Second, when refluxing, distilling, or transferring volatile liquids, always exercise extreme caution. Third, always pour chemicals from large containers to smaller ones. Fourth, never pour chemicals that have been used back into the stock containers. Fifth, never tap flasks that are under vacuum. Sixth, chemicals should never be mixed, measured, or heated in front of your face. And lastly, water should never be poured into concentrated acid. Instead, pour acid slowly into the water while mixing constantly. In so many cases, mixing acid with water is exothermic.